All right, today we are starting Unit 5, Operations with Whole Numbers. Okay, remember whole numbers are just positives, so we're just working with positive numbers in this chapter with multiplying and dividing. We are going to do some adding and subtracting of negatives as well in there since we just finished that in 1 through 4. So 5.1 is multiplying and dividing positive whole numbers. Our next lesson is going to be factors. So our objectives, I will be able to demonstrate the meaning of multiplication and division and use a multiplication table if needed. Okay, so our only vocabulary word is array. So we're going to jump to our vocabulary. So we're on the A's, and we're down at the bottom here. On the bottom right-hand corner of the A sheet, we're going to add the word array. Okay, so an array is a table to help show multiplication and division. Okay, so for example, if I did like 2 times 3, that'd be the same thing as having like 1, 2, and then having 3 rows. 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. So 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. A personal connection would be like lining up your Halloween candy. By type. So I don't know if you probably don't do it anymore, but like a little sibling might like lay out all their Halloween candy on the floor and organize it by Crunch or by Butterfingers or by Snickers or by Airheads. Kind of just all line it up, and that's kind of makes this an array. So remember your personal definition. You're creating something that maybe this makes more sense to you. You can re-say your academic definition in a way that makes sense to you. You can explain how to do this, or maybe you have another personal connection of something where you would see this in your real life. Okay, going on to our notes. All right, so we're going to find the following values. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we start left to right. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 5 is now going to be 15. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and then we're going to do plus 3, and we get 9. Now we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we start on the left side. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And that's why 2 times 6 is 12. So really, multiplication is repeated addition. So there's lots of ways we can show multiplication. We're going to show it in 4 ways. So we have 6 times 4. So the first thing we're going to do is a 6 by 4 array. So what that means, so this is my first way of showing it. So I'm going to make 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm going to make 4 rows of those 6 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And if I count up all the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, another way of doing that is by making a 4 by 6 array. So instead of making rows of 6, we're going to make rows of 4. 2, 3, 4, and then 6 rows. That's 3, 4 rows, 5 rows, and 6 rows. And again, we should have 24 dots. What we really did here is we took this box and we just like tipped it. Okay, so it should really be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, number 3. Now we can do it as repeated addition like our building background. So if I add 6 to itself 4 times, that'd be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 12 is 18, plus 6 would be 24. So it does work. The other way we can do it is add 4 to itself 6 times. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. And 20 plus 4 is 24. So either way we get 24. So that's 4 different ways we can show multiplication. We're going to do this one more time with multiplication, and then we're going to move on to division. Okay. So again, we're going to show the following concept in 4 different ways. If you'd like to try and work ahead, you can, but then pause the video and double check that you have it right. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is a 3 by 5 array. So that means I'm going to make rows of 3. I'm going to do x's this time, and I'm going to make 5 rows of that. And then count how many x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 times 5 should equal 15 in all of these cases. Now I'm going to make a 5 by 3 array. So remember, it's just like really taking this and moving it on its side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So rows of 5, and I want 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, step 3. Another way we could do this is add 3 to itself 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 3, plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So we still get that 15. Okay? Last one is we could add 5 to itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3, which we actually did in the building background. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So in either case, we show that multiplying equals 15. Okay, backside. This time we're going to do division. So we're going to show 45 divided by 9. So we're going to make 9 rows. So I can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to put 1 circle in each row until we have 45 circles. So I'm going to count the number of circles, but I'm going to make them down in a row. Once I hit 9, I'm going to restart and make 9 more. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And then how many circles are in each row? So when I look at just one row here, how many circles ended up there being? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I take 45 and I divide it into 9 rows, I get 5 in each row. So that's what my answer is going to be. It's 5. Okay, last one. We're going to show 49 divided by 7. So make 7 rows. This time I'm going to just make x's, and we're going to make 49 x's. So I'm going to make 7 rows. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 40, 49. I don't know what I was doing there. Okay, so then how many x's are in one of the rows? So they should all be the same. I'm just going to pick this fourth row for fun. And I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 groups of 7. Okay, you can show multiplication to division by creating an array. Multiplication can also be showed by repeated addition. Alright, so next up you have the practice check, or the practice.